Hi again, it's Johnny from Balloons Delivered Las Vegas, and we're getting ready for a bachelorette party. Alright, I've never been to a bachelorette party, but I heard they're fun. I've been to a bachelor party once. Man, that was fun. Alright, let's talk about the bachelorettes and the teen brides. We got the balloons on the ceiling, we got balloons on the floor, we got the word bride on the wall, we got a beautiful bouquet that says teen bride on it. Now, the bride needs something. She needs something to wear. Well, here at Balloons Delivered Las Vegas, we have apparel bags. Now in this apparel bag, we call this one the bride-to-be bag. It comes in a white bag, it has tissue paper on top, and we put everything in a Ziploc because if we put left in the bag, we're afraid you're not going to see everything. So we take it all at once. Inside the bag, there's a lot of things. The first one is the Bachelorette tiara. It's a metal tiara with glitter. It's as nice as it gets. It's not plastic. It's beautiful. Next in the bag, we have the sash. You can't be a bachelorette without a sash. Also in the bag, we have a engagement ring necklace. What else? We got sunglasses. We're in Vegas. We need sunglasses. And then last, we have all different fun buttons. Now this is a true bride-to-be kit, and your bride will love it. Also, we have decorations for brides in our website. So you have all the bachelorette deco, we have wedding deco, we also have candy, we have all these other gift bags to choose from. Again, it's Johnny, Balloons Delivered Las Vegas.